Of course, I'm going to talk about how amazing EMA is because I'm putting it together. But let's see what everyone else has to say about it.
Something that really struck me today was the power of circle of influence. You have to be associated with the proper people that are actually going to put you to excel.
And everything you do, you want to surround yourself with like-minded individuals.
He was able to just kind of come in and just kind of confirm everything that I've been learning up to this point and even add on to that stuff.
There's no limiting of anything. If you really go for what you really want, it's all possible.
Even if you're not in the mortgage industry, just anyone who wants to learn about marketing, building a team, hiring. I think Willie Escobar has done a great job with his branch, and why not learn from someone who's been through the trenches and who can be able to teach you all the ropes that they learned.
Highly recommend EMA.
I definitely recommend EMA.
I definitely recommend EMA.
If you're a business owner, whether it's plumbing, whether it's a chef, you definitely want to be here because he'll be able to expand not only your mindset but your tools so you can apply those tools into your industry. Be there at the next EMA.